Where can I find the reset button on my ADT doorbell camera?
Hello. Today we'll be discussing how to find and utilize the reset button on your ADT doorbell camera. This small yet vital tool is important when you're troubleshooting problems or configuring your device. Understanding its location and function can save you time and keep your home security system running smoothly. Let's get started.
What is the reset button?
The reset button is a small button on your ADT doorbell camera which allows you to restore the device to its factory settings. This can be beneficial in situations where the device is malfunctioning, not connecting properly, or needs to be reconfigured. Please remember that using the reset button will erase all previous settings and configurations on your doorbell camera.
Where is the reset button located?
The exact location of the reset button can vary depending on the model of your ADT doorbell camera, but it's usually found on the rear or side of the device. It is often a small hole which you will need a thin object such as a paperclip to press.
How do I use the reset button?
Once you've located the reset button, follow these steps. 1. Unplug the doorbell camera from its power source. This is an important safety measure. 2. Insert a small, thin object like a paperclip or pin into the reset button hole. You should feel a button being pressed. 3. Hold down the button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will initiate the factory reset process. 4. Release the button and plug the camera back into its power source. The device should restart and begin the reset process. Please note, the process can take a few minutes to complete, and your device may restart multiple times during this process. That's it. You've learned where to find and how to use the reset button on your ADT doorbell camera. Remember, while resetting the device can be a powerful troubleshooting tool, it should be used sparingly as it will erase all previous settings and configurations. As always, if you're unsure or uncomfortable performing these steps on your own, don't hesitate to reach out to ADT's customer support for further assistance.